Okay, for today's entry task, we're going to do a proportions problem again like we did yesterday. I'm going to solve it in two different ways. First of all, I want you to solve it by doing your MyFish, where you take um, the numerator on this side, multiply it times that side, and then divide it by this side over here to get that answer. So your little fish goes like this over there and then up that way, right? Okay, so let's do that and see what happens. So 3 times 32, well, I know 3 times 30 is 90, and I know 3 times 2 is 6. So this is going to be 96 over on this side. So I'm going to have to divide that 96 by 8. So we put 8 here. 8 goes into 9 one time. We put the 8 here, subtract it out. We get 1 and 6. And everybody knows that 16 is equal to 8 times 2. So our answer is going to be 12. So let's check it out and see if that's true. So if we have 12/32, and we divide this one by, let's say 4, as looks like the highest common denominator. So we go 4 here and 4 here. Well, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, and 32 divided by 4 is 8. So check mark. We got that one correct. Okay, so now we're going to do the second problem. And I want you to do it a little differently. I want you to do it like we are thinking about them as equivalent fractions, because this is an equality. So if there's something on this side over here, this 3/7, if this is truly an equality, they have to be equal to each other. So this over here has to be the exact same, and this is what proportion is all about. They have to be equal fractions. So if we have 3/7 over here and we want to find out how many 21st it is, we have to figure out what we have to multiply times this denominator. Oops. Times this denominator to get that 21. Well, from our math facts, we know that 7 times 3 is 21. So what we have to do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. So we're going to multiply 3 times 3, and we do that. This number over here isn't an unknown anymore. It is 9. How many people got that correct? That's good. So anyway, let's just double check it again. To double check it and see if our fractions are equivalent, all we have to do is reduce them. Well, we know that there's a common factor. Oops. There's a common factor of 3. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by 3. 9 divided by 3. And 21 divided by 3. Well, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. And no surprise, they're equal. If you look at this fraction, it is where we started from. So I hope that helped you. I'll talk to you later.